Hello everyone, welcome back to Stoic Wisdom Today. Let's face it, we all have them. The complainer, the manipulator, the interrupter, the person who takes more than they give. And when you deal with them, you might feel frustrated, drained, even angry. But here's the truth the Stoics knew well. You don't have to attend every argument you're invited to. Today's video will help you do just that. This is your Stoic guide to dealing with difficult people without losing your center, your energy, or your values. Let's begin. Part 1. The problem isn't the person, it's the power you give them. We often think they're the problem, but the Stoic reverses the lens. What power am I giving this person over my peace? Marcus Aurelius wrote, "Choose not to be harmed, and you won't be." Seneca said, "We suffer more often in imagination than in reality." And Epictetus reminds us, if someone provokes you, realize that your mind is complicit. Difficult people exist, but your reaction is your responsibility. Part 2. Why most people react and Stoics respond. Corn. The average person defends their ego, tries to prove they're right, matches energy with energy, leaves the situation feeling worse. The Stoic pauses, observes, filters the insult, chooses action over reaction. It's not about being above them, it's about being anchored in yourself. Part 3. Stoic tools for handling difficult people. 1. Detach emotion from behavior. Someone else's rudeness does not define you. Their anger does not mean you're unsafe. Their chaos doesn't belong in your nervous system. Repeat, this is their behavior, not my identity, not my story. You get to choose whether to internalize or observe. 2. Use the pause as a superpower. You don't have to reply immediately. In fact, the more emotionally charged the moment, the more essential it is to pause. Ask, am I about to escalate or elevate? Is this worth my peace? What response aligns with my values? One breath, one beat. That's all it takes. 3. Do not mirror what you despise. If someone gossips, mocks, belittles, and you respond in kind, they win, because they've dragged you to their level. But the Stoic stands firm. They meet hostility with principle. Seneca wrote, "A wise man is indifferent to insults." That doesn't mean accepting abuse. It means refusing to become what you dislike. 4. Set clear internal boundaries. Seneca wrote, "Not every battle is worth fighting. Not every relationship is worth saving. Not every opinion needs correcting. Know your line. What will I tolerate? What will I walk away from? What's not worth the mental rent?" You can remain calm and still say no. You can be kind and still walk away. That's Stoic clarity, not cowardice. 5. Don't personalize their pain. Most difficult behavior is not about you. It's about unhealed wounds, fear, insecurity, projection. You just happen to be the nearest target. So instead of why me, ask, what might this person be struggling with? Empathy doesn't justify bad behavior, but it helps you release the weight of taking it personally. 6. Take nothing personally. Respond purposefully. Aurelius reminds us, whenever you are about to find fault with someone, ask yourself, what fault of mine most resembles this? This doesn't mean you ignore toxicity. It means you act from intention, not infection. You don't let others decide the kind of person you become. Part 4. Stoic quotes on difficult people. When someone does wrong, it's because they think it's right. Forgive them, not for them, but for your peace. Epictetus. Don't return fire with fire. Stay in control of yourself. Marcus Aurelius. If a man gave your body to a passerby, you'd be furious. yet you hand your mind to anyone who insults you. Epictetus. Part 5. What you gain by responding, not reacting. Not reacting. Mental peace, energy preserved, integrity strengthened, clearer relationships, deeper self-respect, influence without control, freedom from the approval trap. Because the moment you stop needing someone to act right in order for you to feel right, you become unshakable. Part 6. When to walk away the Stoic way. Being Stoic doesn't mean staying in toxic situations. It means exiting them with grace, not bitterness. Ask, is this repairable? Can I hold space without sacrificing myself? What does peace require of me right now? Then move, without rage, without performance, with clarity. Part 7. Daily practices to build strength against toxicity. Morning mantra. No one controls my state but me. Evening journaling. Where did I lose peace? How can I regain it? Practice pauses in small interactions, traffic, emails, delays. Say, I don't receive that when hearing personal attack. Rehearse graceful exits in difficult conversations. You are not made of glass, but you're not made of fire either. You're made of presence, principle, power. Conclusion. Walk like a Stoic, even when others don't. The world will always offer you chaos. Some people will always push your buttons, but you get to decide. Will you echo the noise, or will you become the stillness that breaks it? When you meet difficult people with calm, grace, and clarity, you don't just protect your peace, you teach them what real strength looks like. Thank you for watching Stoic Wisdom Today. If this message helped you find your footing in the face of friction, like, share, and subscribe, and leave a comment about the difficult moment you handled like a Stoic. Until next time, stay grounded, stay wise, and stay Stoic.